Well, I guess at some point all good things must come to an end. It's an unfortunate circle of life thing, and this day marks the end of my PENTAX FA Star 600 F4. It has now been concluded that what I thought was a little tiny dead spider in the corner of one of the lens elements and some spider webs running across the rest of the element is in fact mold. The problem is it cannot be cleaned. It would ruin the coating, and since it's such an old lens, there are no more parts and the risk just isn't worth it, at least from what I was told by the repair center. Yeah, so since it's mold, it is no more. It's just going to be my art piece, I suppose. So going forward, if I need 600 millimeters or 630 millimeters on an APS-C camera. No, wait, my math is way off. Anyway, if I need 600 plus millimeters, then it will be the 1.4 time teleconverter on the 150-450. So that pretty much brings this whole saga to a continuation. No, comes to an end. So continuing on will from now on be the 150-450 with the 1.4 time teleconverter to get a 600 plus millimeter focal length out of my camera. And yeah, it's a sad day, but this is the final result of going from repair center, contacting every single place I could think of. Some of the suggestions from you guys, reached out to them as well. The lens just on one end was just way too old, no parts, no service manuals. They didn't want to risk it, and the final inspection was it is in fact actually mold that has spread across the lens element. So not worth destroying the coatings to still not have super sharp images with that lens. So there you have it, just a very quick video to explain what has transpired since the last update with the 600 f4 lens. Yeah, I may still try to see if there are conditions I can use that lens in. For example, super overcast, where there isn't as much light beaming through. See if that might make a difference. No idea, but still, I do want to use that lens, so I'm going to still try to find use cases for it more than just a super heavy industrial doorstop. And that's it. Just a very quick update video, and got some other stuff coming up. Some exciting stuff coming up, which you, as the public, are not aware of yet, but the members are. The members are. And it's going to be pretty epic when I put it all together. But anyway, that's going to be it. Thanks for sticking around in regards to the 600 f4 saga. It has now concluded. This is it. No more. No more, no more. So that's going to be it. I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out.